In this video, I'll be showing you the best YouTube live stream settings you need to know if you want to utilize going live or live stream on your channel. So even if you'll be going live with a mobile phone, you need to do this once on a PC. After that, the settings will be saved and you can start going on live with your mobile phone. So now you just hop on YouTube Studio like this. You can see the screen here. And what we do next, then we tap on create and then we go on live and then we hop on the live studio here. So you can go live with your camera, which is your webcam, or you can use a streaming software. I have a video on how you can set up OBS Studio and go live on your YouTube channel. I'll drop that in this video's description. So I'll be showing you guys that, and I'll be showing you guys how you can go live with your webcam and the settings you need to make if you'll be going live on your mobile phone. So now let's start with that first. So since our studio is opened here, let's tap on the settings button here, and now let's come here. So on here, we set our ads to automatic, and then the frequency should be very high because you are doing this because of money. So yeah, turn this on to very high and then save that. And it will be saved anytime you go on live with a mobile phone. The ad frequency is going to be very, very high. Like when they watch for a long time, an ad will come inside, an ad will come inside. The more they see the ad, the more you get paid. Good. And now you're done with that. So now let's move to the second and the third option, which is the two types of live. So the first is the streaming software. You can see, so you need to connect a streaming software here. Just like I said, I have a video on that, so I'm just going to glance through it. So you just tap on this here, the best settings. You enter the title for the live description, just like you put videos. You can add a hashtag and all that. You can see, yeah, and you add, let me add Roblox. Yeah, Roblox game, something like that. And you can see streaming software selected. Yeah, that's the option we are on right now. And you can scroll down here. You can select the category just like everything. And the game title, you can add Roblox. And you search it to see Roblox 2006. That was when it was officially launched. And now you come down here, the normal settings. I think you can do that. You can upload a thumbnail here. And you can add a playlist and all that. Playlist from your channel. And after that, you save it. Good. And then you connect your streaming software and then you start doing whatever you want to do on your PC, and it's going to cast here. Good. And now if you want to go live with your laptop, if you're on a webcam or you want to go live on a webcam, you come to this side here. You can see when you put your cursor on this camera here, you see webcam here, just tap on that there. Good. And on here, you see your webcam turns on automatically, and you can set up everything you need to set up here. Just like you did earlier, upload your thumbnail and all that. And you move to next, you need to add a title. And now you move to next here, you turn on your monetization. You can see this has been set to frequency and it's higher. So what you did here is affecting this here. Good. And now we come here, you allow them to, chat when you're on live, because when people talk a lot on your live, your impressions go higher, you get people to hop on there. And then your visibility, you can go live and also schedule it. Yeah, very much simple. So that's it on how you go live on YouTube, the best live stream settings. And now the schedule too, you can come on here. Sometimes if you've not scheduled anything here, you can get your side-by-side ad here. When you hop on here and you see something like that, just turn it on. I've already turned that on this channel. Yeah. So that's it on the best YouTube live stream setting you can ever get. If you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, you let me know in the comment section. And that's it for the video. Peace.